miracle of divine grace. When the grace showers, the dumb wax eloquent. The dashing clouds of sorrows turn into a dazzling array of joy and felicity. The dreadful desert of despair turns into verdant groves of peace and plenty. The thorns of adversities turn into blossoms of blessings. And from the heart that has been like a rock, there emerges the sparkling stream of tender divine love. By grace, all challenges in life turn into guiding lights that lead the soul to immortality. There is the revelation, AHAM Brahmasmi, I am the Absolute Self.